In today's video, I'll show you how to write phone numbers correctly in Google Sheets on desktop. If your phone numbers keep losing leading zeros, look messy, or aren't consistent across your sheet, this quick setup will fix all of that and make your data easy to read and search. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. This process works best on the web version because you'll have access to the full formatting options. Next, decide where your phone numbers will live and select that column. Clicking the column letter at the top selects the entire column, which ensures any new entries you add later will automatically follow the formatting you set. It's a small step that saves a lot of cleanup down the road. Now go to the top menu and choose Format, then Number, then More Formats, and select Custom Number Format. This is where you define how the numbers should look without changing the underlying values. You're not typing punctuation into each cell. You're telling Sheets how to display the digits you enter. In the Custom Format field, enter a pattern that matches the style you want. For example, you can use A, Ma, Di for a classic North American format, or plus for many international layouts. The number signs act as placeholders for digits. If you need to force leading zeros, use 0 instead of najdar in that position. You can include spaces, dashes, parentheses, and even a literal plus sign to make international codes clear. Type the symbols exactly where you want them to appear. Click Apply to save the format. The style is now tied to the column you selected. If you ever need to adjust it, you can return to the same custom number format window and tweak the pattern. From here on, just type the digits of the phone number, no parentheses, dashes, or spaces. As soon as you press Enter, Sheets will display the number using your custom format. This helps keep entries consistent, prevents accidental math on phone numbers, and preserves any leading zeros that would otherwise disappear. If you paste numbers, they'll also be formatted as long as they're numeric and the column is using your custom format. A quick tip: if some entries include different lengths, consider creating separate columns or formats for domestic and international numbers so each one displays correctly. And remember, this is purely visual formatting. The underlying value remains numeric for easier sorting and validation. And that's how you write phone numbers correctly in Google Sheets on desktop.